Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl ms-180C. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough, and the one sound. Also gonna do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Guys, on this one it looks like it's moving, but I'm not gonna spend the time. I hope it's working, but maybe the spring inside, I don't know. You know me, I take everything apart like that can be fair as I can, show you everything. I already throw some good pictures inside here, like there you can see. And this one I've been selling a lot of this. This one comes from the same customers. Let me see what we got inside there. Yeah, that's looks good so far. Okay. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. Right here, let me see the clutch, how we are. The clutch is working. Good. This is the cover on the top. The filter, I can't really remember the muffler take apart. I'm gonna put that. This is the lock here on the side. Looks like everything's working so far. Let's see here what we got going on down there. Alright guys, you have it here for parts. For parts, I have a lot of equipment I'm gonna put little by little. Alright. Thank you guys, thank you for everything. Hola mi gente. Que me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Un Stihl ms-180C. Si ustedes me siguen a mí, saben que yo vendo muchas de estas maquinitas, vienen de las mismas familias. Casi siempre todas no lucen mal, el pistón no luce mal en esta. Pero no se guíen por mí, yo soy un vendedor. Ahí más o menos vieron que es lo que funciona. Acelerador, se me olvidó abrir el tanque. Tiene un poquito, luce bien. Recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina o algo, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque es una máquina que yo vendo para partes. Tengo muchos equipos que voy a poner, pero es la forma que yo vendo en mi tienda. Discúlpenme, yo solo vendo para partes, aunque posiblemente no tenga nada, haciendo mi problema. Gracias mi gente, que se me una la raza.